Hello everyone, my name's Kate and I'm a first year music theater student at St. Lawrence College, currently on reading week, and I thought I would talk to you a little bit about my top 10 favorite places to go in Brockville. Number 1, top of the list, best cafe in Brockville hands down is called Richard's. They have amazing baked goods, amazing coffee, amazing matcha, amazing lattes, like you name it, they have it, it's amazing. Number 2, speaking of, is the BAC, which stands for the Brockville Arts Center. That's where St. Lawrence College puts on all of their shows, but they also have a lot of independent shows come through. The next one is kind of what Brockville's known for, and it's the Thousand Islands. If you go downtown by the water, it's a great view of the Thousand Islands, and it's gorgeous in the spring and fall. The Brockville Tunnel is an old train tunnel that used to operate, but now it's just for tourists. If you happen to be down by the waterfront, there's this place called the Cafeteria, which is a beautiful place. Next one is I kind of like hanging out in the St. Lawrence College cafeteria. I really like the food. It's a really nice place to hang out with friends in between classes. There's some nice couch seating areas. There's a pool table. If you like hiking at all, the Brockville Trail is a great option for you. It's right by the residence and right by the school, so it's very convenient to go if you like record collecting like me. There's a couple stores that are really nice that you can go to. If you're a bit of a history buff, I also recommend going to the Brockville Museum. It's an absolutely beautiful old building and it has all the rich history of Brockville and all the many things that have happened there. And number 10 on our list is the Fountain, which is right downtown. I definitely recommend going down to the Fountain. There's a gorgeous parquet around it. Also a little bonus number 11, I found out recently Brockville has some very exciting things, such as axe throwing at a restaurant called the Barley Mow, which is about like a 3-minute walk from campus, maybe 5, has drag shows. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you get an opportunity to check out some of these fun little places, and I hope to see you next year. Bye!